Hello, namaste, welcome to my channel. Today let's make Rajasthani Baati but in air fryer. For that, first take 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour, half cup of chickpea flour or besan, and then add some salt to taste. Add carom seeds or ajwain seeds. This is gonna help in digestion. And then 3 to 4 tablespoons of melted ghee. You can add oil as well. Now let's mix everything really well. Melted ghee is gonna make this baati really crispy from the outside and really soft from the inside. Start kneading the dough by adding water little by little. This dough is gonna be a tighter dough compared to your roti and paratha regular dough. So it won't need much water. Now let's just cover the dough and then we are gonna let it rest for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take equal parts and create a ball-sized baati. For 2 cups of flour, I could make around 10 baatis. And don't worry about the cracks or, not proper shape. It's gonna taste really good. Shape doesn't matter. So I have this Ninja 5-in-1 air fryer and I've already lined it with aluminum foil inside. So I'm gonna put all 10 baatis on it for baking. Now set the temperature to 400 Fahrenheit and timer for 10 minutes. I don't know why I set it to 20, maybe 20 is the new 10, but you're gonna set it on 10 minutes. So it's gonna take some time to preheat. We have already added our food, so we just have to open the lid and then close it. So after around 7 minutes, we are just gonna check on the baatis. They look good. We are just gonna turn them and bake them for 3 more minutes. So total of 10 minutes. So 10 minutes are over and baatis are ready. I've got melted ghee and I'm gonna add hot baatis to it and they'll soak up all the goodness of the ghee. They are ready to serve. Look how delicious that looks. So serve them hot with dal and add more ghee on the top. They are very crispy from the outside and super soft from the inside. Hope this video helped. Enjoy and thank you so much for watching.